What are morning star and morning doji star? A morning star is one of the candlestick pattern that includes 3 candlesticks. The first candle is a bearish candlestick that is followed by a very small candlestick below it. This second candle can be either bullish or bearish. The third candle is a bullish candle. This pattern is a significant one if you spot one at the bottom of a downtrend, as it indicates high chances of bullish reversal. Similar to a morning star, there is a pattern called morning doji star. It also has 3 candlesticks. The only difference in this pattern is that the second candlestick is a doji. Even the first candle is a bearish candle and the third one is a bullish candle. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.